Welcome to Vending University, the ultimate guide to becoming a vending operator. In this module, vending machines in high-traffic locations, airports, stations, etc., you'll explore how to position your vending business in areas with non-stop movement and strong sales potential. Locations such as airports, train stations, bus terminals, and shopping centers offer unmatched visibility, but they also require precision and planning to manage successfully. High-traffic locations can be extremely profitable, yet they come with competition, strict placement regulations, and higher expectations for service quality. To thrive here, you'll need a balance of logistics, negotiation skills, and a clear understanding of customer behavior patterns. This module will guide you through each of these critical aspects in detail. You'll begin by learning how to evaluate which high-traffic spots are worth the investment. We'll discuss what makes one location outperform another, how to measure footfall effectively, and how to estimate potential return on investment before committing to a placement agreement. Next, we'll focus on securing access to these premium sites. From negotiating contracts and permissions to meeting operational standards in controlled environments like airports, you'll discover what it takes to maintain a professional and compliant vending presence in busy public areas. You'll also learn how to optimize your product selection for travelers and commuters who value convenience and quick service. We'll cover how to use data-driven insights and machine analytics to refine your product mix, restock schedules, and pricing strategy based on real-time performance. Marketing will play a key role in your success. This course introduces innovative ways to attract attention using digital screens, QR-based discounts, and loyalty integrations that engage customers while they wait or move through transit hubs. By the end of this module, you'll have a complete roadmap for operating vending machines in high-traffic environments efficiently, profitably, and sustainably. Whether you're starting out or expanding your current business, these strategies will help you turn constant foot traffic into a steady flow of income. Module 1. Understanding high-traffic vending environments. In this module, you'll explore what makes high-traffic vending environments so valuable and how they differ from standard vending locations. High-traffic areas such as airports, train stations, and transit hubs are constant sources of potential customers, offering exposure to thousands of people daily. However, these environments also require strategic thinking, quick decision-making, and operational precision. The first step in mastering vending success in these locations is understanding the rhythm of the space. Airports, for example, operate around the clock, serving travelers from diverse backgrounds with varying preferences. Train and bus stations, on the other hand, experience sharp peaks during commuting hours. Recognizing these activity patterns helps you choose products and restocking times that match real customer demand. Another key factor is accessibility. High-traffic vending machines must be placed where visibility and convenience intersect. A machine that's just a few meters away from a main walkway can outperform one hidden behind a pillar. Learning to analyze footpaths, waiting areas, and sightlines ensures your machines attract attention naturally without heavy promotion. Operating in these spaces also means meeting the expectations of fast-moving customers. Travelers don't have time to browse or compare. They want reliability, speed, and consistent product quality. Offering well-known brands, quick payment options, and machines that rarely malfunction builds trust and repeat use among daily commuters and frequent flyers. Competition is another defining feature of high-traffic vending. In crowded transport hubs, you'll often share space with other vendors, kiosks, or food outlets. Standing out requires attention to design, branding, and lighting. Machines that look clean, modern, and professional project credibility and can subtly draw in hesitant customers. Behind the scenes, logistics are crucial. Machines in busy locations need frequent maintenance and restocking. A well-planned supply schedule prevents empty slots and ensures that your best-selling items remain available during rush hours or flight delays. By understanding how high-traffic environments function, you can align your vending strategy with real-world dynamics. This foundation will prepare you for the next steps: selecting the right locations, managing operations efficiently, and maximizing profitability in fast-paced, high-visibility settings. Module 2. Selecting profitable locations, airports, stations, and beyond. In this module, you'll learn how to identify and evaluate the most profitable locations for your vending machines in high-traffic areas. Choosing the right spot is one of the biggest factors that determines your sales performance and overall business success. Even a great product lineup won't perform well if the machine isn't placed strategically. The process begins with observing human movement. In airports, vending machines near gates, waiting lounges, and baggage claim areas often outperform those tucked away in quieter corners. In train or metro stations, platforms, exits, and ticketing areas generate steady traffic throughout the day. Learning to read these flow patterns helps you spot prime vending zones before making an investment. Beyond passenger flow, it's essential to evaluate the type of customers each location attracts. Travelers, commuters, and shoppers all have different purchase habits. While airports favor convenient snacks and travel-sized essentials, train stations might see higher sales in beverages, breakfast items, or quick lunch options. Matching your products to the mindset of your customers leads to consistent profitability. Once you've identified potential spots, understanding placement costs and contract conditions is crucial. High-traffic locations often come with higher fees, but they also offer better returns. Comparing rent, footfall, and estimated monthly sales will help you calculate your break-even point and expected profit margin. Competition also plays a major role. A vending area already filled with machines might reduce your visibility, but sometimes being near popular brands can attract more customers. The key is balance. Position your machine where it complements rather than duplicates what's already available. As you gain experience, you'll also learn to think beyond traditional transport hubs. Universities, hospitals, shopping malls, and large office complexes can generate traffic comparable to stations and airports. Expanding your thinking helps you uncover hidden opportunities that others might overlook. By the end of this module, you'll know how to research, assess, and select high-performance vending spots that offer the best combination of accessibility, demand, and profitability, setting a solid foundation for long-term success. Module 3. Negotiating placement contracts and site permissions. In this module, you'll learn how to navigate the critical process of securing placement contracts and obtaining permissions to operate your vending machines in high-traffic environments. Airports, stations, and other public venues often require formal agreements that outline your responsibilities, rental fees, and operational standards. Understanding these terms protects your investment and ensures smooth collaboration with property owners or management teams. The first step is to research who controls the vending rights in your target location. In airports, this could be the airport authority or a facility management company. In train or bus stations, it might be the transit authority or a private concessionaire. Identifying the correct contact helps you approach negotiations efficiently and professionally. When you begin discussions, clarity and transparency matter most. Present your vending proposal confidently, highlighting how your machines can add value to their facility through convenience, customer satisfaction, and consistent revenue sharing. A well-prepared pitch supported by foot traffic data and sales projections makes a strong impression. Contracts typically include rental terms, duration, service responsibilities, and rules for restocking schedules or machine maintenance. It's essential to read every clause carefully before signing. Make sure you understand whether the agreement is exclusive or shared with other vendors, how renewals are handled, and what penalties apply if operations are interrupted. You'll also need to address compliance with local laws and safety regulations. Certain venues, especially airports, require security clearances, insurance coverage, and adherence to health standards. Maintaining these documents keeps your business compliant and minimizes disruptions. Negotiation is not just about price. It's about building a lasting relationship. Being flexible, communicative, and reliable often earns you better renewal opportunities and referrals to other high-value sites. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear understanding of how to approach, negotiate, and finalize vending placement agreements that are fair, transparent, and profitable, helping you secure prime vending spots with confidence and professionalism. Module 4. Designing vending strategies for travelers and commuters. In this module, you'll learn how to develop vending strategies that specifically meet the needs and behaviors of travelers and commuters. High-traffic locations such as airports, train stations, and bus terminals serve diverse audiences, each with different routines, time constraints, and purchasing habits. Designing a strategy that aligns with these factors is key to maximizing both customer satisfaction and profitability. Travelers often prioritize convenience and speed. They want easy access to essential items like snacks, drinks, chargers, or travel accessories without wasting time. Your vending strategy should focus on offering products that solve immediate problems, quick energy boosts, hydration, or last-minute travel needs. Understanding these preferences allows you to stock your machines intelligently. Commuters, however, have predictable habits. They frequent the same stations daily, often at the same times. This provides a unique opportunity to build customer loyalty through consistent product availability, reliable machine performance, and even periodic updates to product selections to keep things interesting. Your machine layout and product visibility also influence buying decisions. Items that are placed at eye level and clearly labeled tend to sell faster. Pairing complementary items, like snacks and beverages, can increase average purchase value. Every design choice should make the buying experience faster and more intuitive. Technology plays an increasingly important role in these environments. Integrating contactless payment systems, digital product displays, and touch-free options makes transactions smoother and more appealing to busy customers. Travelers appreciate quick and reliable payment solutions, especially when they're rushing between destinations. Pricing strategy must also be tailored. In airports and stations, customers expect slightly higher prices due to convenience and accessibility. However, transparency and quality must justify those prices. Consistency in pricing across similar machines helps maintain trust. By the end of this module, you'll understand how to create a vending strategy that aligns perfectly with the fast-paced world of travelers and commuters, balancing convenience, value, and efficiency to ensure your machines deliver steady, repeat sales throughout the day. Module 5. Optimizing product selection and inventory turnover. In this module, you'll learn how to choose the right mix of products and manage your inventory efficiently to keep your vending machines profitable and appealing. In high-traffic areas like airports and stations, customer preferences can shift quickly, and maintaining the right balance between demand and stock levels is essential for success. The foundation of effective product selection is understanding your audience. Travelers often prefer portable, easy-to-consume items such as bottled drinks, snacks, and hygiene essentials, while commuters lean toward quick breakfasts, energy bars, and coffee options. Observing purchasing patterns at different times of the day helps you identify what sells best and when. Product variety is also crucial. Offering a mix of popular brands alongside niche or healthier alternatives can attract a wider range of customers. Rotating new items periodically keeps your machines fresh and encourages repeat purchases from regular users who enjoy discovering something new. Inventory management determines how smoothly your operations run. Overfilling machines ties up cash and can lead to expired products, while understocking causes missed sales opportunities. Tracking data from machine analytics allows you to forecast demand accurately, schedule restocking efficiently, and reduce waste. In busy locations, speed and timing matter. Machines near departure gates or platforms experience spikes in usage during peak travel hours. Aligning your restocking schedule with these patterns ensures your best-selling items are always available when demand is highest. It's also vital to monitor performance data for each machine. Identifying slow-moving items allows you to adjust your selection quickly and replace underperforming products. Using insights from sales reports gives you the ability to fine-tune your offerings and maximize turnover rates. By the end of this module, you'll understand how to curate a smart, data-driven product lineup and manage inventory efficiently to maintain constant availability, reduce waste, and boost overall vending profitability in high-traffic environments. Module 6. Managing Logistics, Refilling, and Machine Maintenance. In this module, you'll explore how to handle the day-to-day logistics that keep your vending machines running smoothly in busy, high-traffic environments. Effective management of refilling schedules, supply chains, and maintenance routines ensures your machines remain reliable, stocked, and profitable around the clock. The first step is building an efficient logistical plan. In airports and stations, traffic peaks at predictable times, so scheduling refills during off-peak hours minimizes disruptions and ensures customer access is never interrupted. Coordinating deliveries with facility management teams or security staff is often required, especially in restricted areas like terminals or platforms. Restocking efficiency directly impacts sales performance. Creating organized refill routes saves time and fuel, while maintaining detailed inventory records helps you anticipate demand accurately. Modern vending management software allows you to track stock levels remotely and identify which machines need attention first, eliminating unnecessary trips. Maintenance plays a vital role in preserving customer trust. A malfunctioning or empty machine can harm your reputation quickly in a high-traffic setting. Implementing regular inspections helps catch issues like coin jams, touchscreen errors, or refrigeration failures before they become major problems. Keeping spare parts and essential tools on hand reduces downtime. Partnering with reliable technicians or training your own staff in basic repairs can also improve response times. Preventive maintenance not only extends machine lifespan, but also ensures consistent service quality across all locations. Cleanliness is another key factor. In crowded public places, customers notice presentation instantly. Machines that are regularly cleaned, well-lit, and free from smudges attract more attention and signal professionalism. A clean exterior can subtly influence purchase decisions. By the end of this module, you'll know how to streamline logistics, manage refilling efficiently, and implement proactive maintenance practices. These skills will help you maintain uninterrupted service, optimize operational costs, and deliver a seamless customer experience in the busiest vending environments. Module 7. Ensuring compliance and security in controlled areas. In this module, you'll learn how to operate vending machines safely and legally within high-traffic, controlled environments such as airports, train stations, and transit hubs. Compliance with regulations and adherence to security protocols is essential to maintain access, avoid fines, and protect both your business and customers. The first step is understanding the specific requirements of each location. Airports often enforce strict security measures, including background checks for staff, restricted access areas, and inspections for every delivery. Train and bus stations may require permits, insurance, and coordination with transit authorities. Familiarizing yourself with these rules helps prevent delays or denied access. Health and safety regulations are equally important. Machines dispensing food or beverages must meet hygiene standards, and perishable items should be stored at proper temperatures. Following these guidelines protects customer health and demonstrates professionalism. Security is a constant concern in busy environments. Machines must be secured to prevent theft or vandalism, and sensitive data from payment systems should be protected. Implementing surveillance, tamper-proof locks, and monitoring software reduces risk and provides peace of mind. Documentation and record-keeping are critical. Maintain permits, compliance certificates, and maintenance logs to show regulatory authorities that your operations meet all required standards. Regularly reviewing and updating these documents ensures ongoing adherence to rules and regulations. Training your staff on compliance and security protocols is essential. Every team member should understand access rules, emergency procedures, and proper handling of products to maintain both safety and operational efficiency. By the end of this module, you'll understand how to navigate the legal, safety, and security aspects of controlled high-traffic environments. Implementing these practices allows your vending business to operate smoothly, safely, and responsibly in some of the busiest public spaces. Module 8. Marketing and Branding in Busy Public Spaces. In this module, you'll explore strategies to make your vending machines stand out and attract customers in high-traffic areas such as airports, train stations, and bus terminals. With so many competing options and distractions, effective marketing and branding are essential to increase visibility and boost sales. The first step is creating a visually appealing machine design. Clean, modern machines with clear logos and bright displays draw attention naturally. Using color, lighting, and product placement strategically can guide customers' eyes to best-selling items and promotions, encouraging impulse purchases. Digital displays and screens provide opportunities for dynamic marketing. They can show promotions, highlight new products, or offer interactive content that engages travelers and commuters while they wait. QR codes or mobile app integrations allow for quick discounts, loyalty programs, or social media engagement. Signage and clear labeling improve the customer experience. Highlighting product benefits, prices, and nutritional information helps buyers make fast decisions, particularly when time is limited. Consistent branding across all machines reinforces recognition and builds trust with repeat customers. Location-specific campaigns can also increase sales. Promotions tailored to the audience, such as travel-sized items in airports or morning coffee deals in stations, show that you understand customer needs and enhance convenience. Analyzing marketing performance data allows you to refine strategies continuously. Tracking which campaigns drive sales and which products attract the most attention helps optimize your approach and maximize revenue per machine. By the end of this module, you'll know how to create compelling visual branding, leverage digital marketing tools, and implement audience-specific promotions that ensure your vending machines capture attention, engage customers, and generate consistent sales in busy public spaces. Module 9. Analyzing sales data and improving location performance. In this module, you'll learn how to leverage sales data to optimize the performance of vending machines in high-traffic locations such as airports, train stations, and transit hubs. Data analysis helps identify trends, uncover opportunities, and make informed decisions that increase revenue and customer satisfaction. The first step is collecting accurate data. Modern vending machines are equipped with analytics tools that track sales by product, time of day, payment method, and machine location. This information allows you to understand which items are most popular, when demand peaks, and how customers interact with your machines. Interpreting this data reveals patterns and informs decisions on inventory management. Slow-moving products can be replaced or repositioned, while best sellers should be prioritized for stock replenishment. Adjusting product mix according to real-time insights ensures machines remain appealing and profitable. Location performance analysis is equally important. Comparing sales across multiple machines identifies top-performing spots and underperforming areas. Low-performing locations may require changes in product selection, marketing, or visibility enhancements to boost engagement. Benchmarking against similar environments helps you set realistic goals. Understanding industry standards for sales per footfall or per machine provides a reference point and helps you measure success accurately. Data-driven adjustments should also extend to pricing strategy. Analyzing customer behavior allows you to test different price points, promotions, or bundles, balancing affordability with revenue optimization. By the end of this module, you'll be able to turn raw sales data into actionable insights, optimize product offerings, and enhance machine performance in high-traffic environments, ensuring your vending business operates efficiently and profitably. Module 10. Scaling your high-traffic vending network for maximum profit. In this module, you'll learn how to grow your vending business strategically by expanding into multiple high-traffic locations, such as airports, train stations, and busy transit hubs. Scaling successfully requires careful planning, operational efficiency, and a clear understanding of the challenges and opportunities that come with a larger network. The first step is identifying replicable success patterns from your existing machines. Analyze top-performing locations, popular products, and operational routines that contribute to high sales. Understanding what works allows you to replicate these strategies in new locations while avoiding previous mistakes. Expanding into multiple sites also requires streamlining logistics. Efficient restocking routes, maintenance schedules, and inventory management systems are essential to ensure machines remain consistently stocked and operational. Using technology to monitor performance remotely saves time and reduces overhead costs as your network grows. Negotiating additional placement agreements becomes increasingly important. Long-term contracts and relationships with property managers or transit authorities can secure prime spots, reduce competition, and offer predictable revenue streams. Professional presentation and a strong track record help build trust and open doors to new opportunities. Marketing and branding consistency is critical when operating across multiple locations. Maintaining uniform machine design, messaging, and promotional strategies ensures brand recognition and builds customer loyalty across different venues. Monitoring performance metrics across your network allows for informed decisions on resource allocation, pricing adjustments, and product selection. Identifying underperforming machines early enables timely interventions, while high-performing sites can be scaled further to maximize revenue. By the end of this module, you'll understand how to expand your vending operations efficiently, maintain quality across multiple locations, and implement strategies that maximize profitability. Scaling your network strategically ensures long-term growth and success in high-traffic vending markets. Conclusion. Throughout this course, you have explored the unique challenges and opportunities of operating vending machines in high-traffic locations such as airports, train stations, and bus terminals. These environments offer unmatched potential for sales and exposure, but success requires strategic planning, attention to detail, and consistent execution across all aspects of your business. Understanding the dynamics of high-traffic areas is the foundation of profitability. Recognizing foot traffic patterns, peak usage times, and the behaviors of travelers and commuters allows you to position your machines optimally and anticipate customer needs effectively. Selecting the right locations and securing placement agreements ensures your machines are visible, accessible, and compliant with local regulations. Proper negotiation and understanding of site permissions protect your investment and build lasting relationships with property managers or transit authorities. Product selection and inventory management are key drivers of performance. Matching your offerings to customer preferences, maintaining consistent stock, and monitoring sales trends help prevent lost revenue and keep your machines appealing and reliable at all times. Marketing, branding, and strategic promotions increase customer engagement and drive repeat purchases. Clear, attractive machine design, digital displays, and targeted campaigns ensure your vending operations stand out in busy, crowded spaces. Analyzing sales data provides actionable insights for continuous improvement. Data-driven decisions about pricing, inventory adjustments, and location optimization allow you to maximize profitability while maintaining a seamless customer experience. Finally, scaling your network requires careful planning, efficient logistics, and consistent operational standards. By applying the strategies learned in this course, you can grow your vending business strategically, maintain quality across multiple sites, and achieve long-term success in high-traffic environments.